Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from you. Many people say that old age is a blessing, whereas some say that it is a curse. But what I feel is it is in your hands whether to make it a gift, a boon, or a curse. So we should age with happiness. Why we should age with happiness? Because as the days go on, we will be having more and more experience. With the experience, we will be knowing the world better. We will be having a lot of courage. That is why I feel that each and every one of us should age with happiness. Now, what are the mantras for age with happiness or aging with happiness? As usual, first is health. As we all know that health is wealth. So we should keep our health. That is why we should eat good, healthy food. We should say no to junk food. We should do exercise, yoga, meditation, all these things. After this, all of us, we should have a hobby of our own, because this hobby helps us to remain happy, or it gives us a purpose to our life. A purpose to our life. It is not whether you earn anything from that or no. Even if you spend from your pocket little bit amount, doesn't matter. But you should have a hobby of your own. Once you are knowing what happened, two groups were selected. One was of 30 years old and another one was of 70 years old. And they were asked to rate their own well-being about their own life. And 70-year-olds professed themselves the happier bunch. They were considered to be happy. And a study conducted across 72 countries found people to be happiest when they crossed the age of 50. See, study has proved this. Research has proved this. It is because they are closer to death that they grow better at living in the present. As we grow, we live in the present. And that is why what we all should do is, we should learn to live in the present. We should not just dig our past and blame for the things. And you are knowing many things what happened in the past. We may not be able to change now. For example, our birth, whatever it is, we can't change it. Let me give you a small example from Bhagavad Gita. We are having two characters in Bhagavad Gita. One is of Sri Krishna and another is Kunti's son Karna. Why he is called Karna, you are knowing in Sanskrit, Karna means ears. He was born by a mantra which God had given to Kunti. And he was born by ear, it is said in the Puranas. Now, because he was born before the marriage, Kunti had, you are knowing, was not ready to accept him as her son. So, you are knowing, he had lost the affectionate love of his mother. He was sad for that. And when he went to study about warfare, Dronacharya had told, no, Karna was not coming from a royal family. So he was not taught by the Guru. And the third, when he had been to the Swayamvara of Draupadi, he was kicked out from there because he was not from a royal family, from a king's. For this he was sad throughout his life. And at the end, you are knowing, he dies because with all this bitterness in his heart. Once he had asked Krishna, you know, all these things I have faced. And Krishna told him, let me tell you my story. I was born in the prison. We all know that, where Krishna was born. Krishna tells, I was born in the prison. And as soon as I was born, I was separated from my parents. And my own uncle was trying to kill me. He was after my life. And I was looking after the cattle, but I was happy playing the flute. And he was happy, and I have forgotten all these things, he tells. See the difference? Karna remembered it throughout his life, whereas Sri Krishna forgot all the things, but he is worshipped as a god even today. That is why, my dear friends, there are some things which we cannot control or change. As I told you, if we are born in a poor family or any such things, which is, we can't change it now. That is why what we have to do? We have to forget it. Apart from that, let me give you some tips to embrace our aging happily. Do the crossword as we age. It is a very good mental activity. And we should learn something new. Learn any new language. Learn anything new, skills in technology. But keep on learning something new, which is of your choice. Next, eating should be in our control. Even if we like it. For example, I like sweets. It means whether I should eat a lot of sweets now? No. I can have one chocolate a week like that, not more than that. So, have some good friends with you, family members, and spend at least 2 hours with them. Once in a week, go out, have nice outings, participate in group activities. And one very, very important thing is, you should be happy and you should laugh a lot. If you want, you can join. We are having laughter clubs. Or be happy in life so that you will be happy. You will be always with laughter. Then forgive and forget, and what you cannot forgive, forget. See, very easy and a simple thing. Find a meaningful job to do, even if unpaid. Even if it is unpaid, doesn't matter, but keep on doing something. That is what I am telling every day, and it is the mantra of my life as well. That is why I am doing these videos and all. To be busy, I like it, I enjoy it, I like to learn new things. So that is why find a meaningful job to do, even if unpaid. Doesn't matter you are not earning from it, because throughout our life we have earned, we are having our own pensions, we are having our children to look after us, everything is there. But even then we should be busy. That is why we should engage ourselves in any work which we like. Next is live in the present and enjoy it. If we follow this, we can embrace our aging happily, or we can be happy as aging goes on. Have a nice day.